Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are installing the Subaru WRX Catback exhaust from XForce. This one is the VAREX valved muffler edition, so you can open and close the valves. Thanks to XForce for sending this out for the video. Here inside the box, we got all the piping for the system. And then here are the little valve remotes you get. You get two of them with an A and B button. A opens the valves and B closes them. And we have the little VAREX box you guys are gonna have plugged in inside your car to give power to the valves. And then here's the box it comes in with all the little screws and such. Here's everything taken out of the box. We got the beautiful black tips. There's some matte black tips from XForce. And then here are all the gaskets and all the bolts you get with the system. There's only one clamp included with this exhaust versus other systems like the AWE that are fully clamped on. This one's bolted on most sections, which I kind of like. We did take out the back of the trunk area, so the whole spare tire area has some holes on the bottom where you guys can route the wiring through for the mufflers. So it's a very easy install for the VAREX. And then this thing on the top of the muffler is what controls the valves. So we hooked everything up, put on those hangers, and it looks beautiful under here. I love the little X on the XForce exhaust. And then here are the tips installed. Bolted up really nice, and fitment looks perfect. It's hard to see, but inside there you can see the valve. That's where it opens and closes, and then here's the remote, and the A opens it and B closes it. Now it's time to enjoy a cold start of the VAREX exhaust. Thanks to XForce for sending out this VAREX valved exhaust system for the 2022 and up WRX. If you guys are interested in checking it out, click the link in the description down below for the XForce exhaust. It is $1,600 right now on their website and in stock. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you guys are new here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.